Here we go. All right. Getting to yet another. I don't know what that was, but we're gonna keep it popping. All lights is still on, and we still recording.
Everything's rocking.
Let's go.
All right. We had this conversation a few minutes ago about Gazelles and Sambas. As you've seen, Sambas have shown up the last couple of weeks.
Nice little dust bag there.
This dust bag is dope. I'll most likely get some information on that in a second because the same thing is on these.
Let's go.
Is that the SW for Sean Witherspoon?
Come on, son.
Are
What
these
we talk? Open it up. Let's go. Let's get to it, son. Let's get to it.
These better not be. I swear to God.
Let's get to it. Let's go.
These better not be.
let's get to it.
I'm out, ladies and gentlemen. We've reached the point of the show where I have brought Gucci loafers yet still feel disrespected.
Let's go. Let's get to it, dude.
I wanted these so fucking bad. I can't. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to. I don't even. Oh.
Yes. So let me give background. Let me give a little story here, right? Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
So,
It's just so
I got into a raffle.
fire.
I got into a raffle.
I lost.
End.com.
I went into the end raffle. I lost.
So then I got into another raffle for another pair of sneakers. These, right? And I said, and I won. And I was like, so I ended up in 3 raffles. I told Trina, I said, we're doing the season to sit down. I made 3 raffles.
Did Trina tip? That's what. So when we were at brunch on
tipping
Sunday,
you off
when
with
she
everything.
tipped off.
The whole story.
I knew.
So I was like, Trina, I said, I don't win raffles. Don't even worry about it. Boom, I won. I was like, I won a raffle. So I was like, you know what, man? I'm going crazy. Let me cancel these joints. Right? So I canceled on Adidas.com because I got into 2
Yeah,
these.
I went into the end raffle for these.
Canceled the Adidas joint. Forgot that I was in the N.com joint and won.
You filthy bastard.
And won.
I am upset. I'm not even hurt anymore. I'm upset. The reason why I'm upset is because it hurts even more that we entered the same raffle. I lost in the raffle to the guy who won in the raffle and showed them to.
They're beautiful.
These shits are more incredible in person than I thought they would be.
Yo, son.
So, what's sticking out to me right off the bat is something that other Samba owners would already know. On Sambas, at the very top of the at the very top of where the rubber meets the sneaker, there are always these little triangles that go around the entire sneaker. Sean Witherspoon decided to replace the sole, but then take those little triangles and put them all. This is all a bunch of the same little triangles.
On the pattern.
The pattern. This stitching is
All
basically all triangles.
Soles on the bottom with the Adidas logo. Not that these will ever touch snow or mud. Oh man.
These are nuts. All right. Let's get involved, man. I am angry.
The funny thing about these though is that they're available aftermarket for only like $10 more.
Yeah.
They didn't go crazy in price. So, and I got the wrong size. This is a half size too small. Because they was in UK sizes.
They was in the UK.
I thought I got the right joint.
8.5.
But it works with like a thin no show.
You can
which
make
is
it.
exactly
We're gonna make it work.
Yeah, we're gonna make it work, baby.
A pinky toe will get
I've
sacrificed at
worn
least
much
once.
more uncomfortable shoes than this. Before.
Absolutely. All right, so let's get into it. So first off, the entire sneaker and all of the material on here are hemp based.
Yep.
Right? Shout out to Sean Witherspoon, who's doing a lot of dope stuff. I don't know if you've seen any of his. He's got a whole. So Sean Witherspoon was known before for his before he was known for his sneakers. He was actually known for an upscaled store where he repurposed things.
Okay.
So he would go out and buy T-shirts from flea markets, then mark them up and put them in his store in LA. And then from there, he just everything grew from Sean Witherspoon. So then he did some Nikes. Before, he's done some other Adidas where he's always got the strings hanging off.
Yes.
His
super blow up major fame came from his collaboration with Adidas.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then so his store is called Round 2. He's actually got one in Richmond, matter of fact.
Yeah, I've been there.
But then he's now up the ante. So he has a Sean Witherspoon collab across the board with Gap. Where he has he has repurposed Gap clothes.
Shout out to Gap for their collab work. Yeah, you gotta.
I got some Gap collabs.
Yeah.
And they continuously do it. They got Dapper Dan.
They had Kanye. You know what I'm saying? They've been doing this.
They had Black Circus. Sean Witherspoon, because now he's got an actual Gap line. I'm telling you that because he's got some joints on there that would ring
kill
off.
with this. Okay, I gotta look that up.
So these are tough. One, I will say that Sambas are already a ridiculously light shoe.
Yes.
Because it's not much to the shoe.
Not much to it.
These are even lighter than the already light shoe.
Because of the material.
Because of the material.
Yep.
The sole is just this, but it's dope how he extended it over the sneaker.
I can still see the stripes.
So you can still, so it's translucent situation. Because normally, ladies and gentlemen, the sole on Sambas stop right here. Mm-hmm. So what he did was, and it stops right there, and they put the little triangles right at the edge.
Yep.
Well, he extended that and stuck the sneaker inside of it, which take these to a whole nother level.
It's gonna be so rude when I wear these out. And the shoestrings on some fuzzy action.
Yeah, man. But the shoestrings are on, I don't know what, it's the same material, it's the same stitching material, this hemp based,
Yeah.
material, which is like a really light linen.
Yeah.
Right?
It's like this whole shoe is like yarn.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But then you've got the leather Adidas stripes right across the top. The stitching is just incredible. But underneath the stitching is what is that material? I don't want to say it's like a burlap, but it's kind of like a burlap based, like a burlap bag, except it's green. So you got that. Then he just stitched that triangle all over this.
They went
crazy.
And they went stupid with these.
And then the
cork
for the insole.
These ain't coming out. This not getting rocked till summertime.
Oh,
they're not coming out till summertime.
Absolutely.
Like
with the flower, with the hemp flower inside, the SW on it.
Forget about
He's got and then you got the berry color.
Yes.
But it's not.
This guy is he's like the LeBron of colors.
Yeah, it's berry. This part I'm cheating because I got some Air Max and they call
berry
it
color.
With the berry and then the cream again for I'll say white.
No, these are white.
For the stitching on the back.
Oh, the stitching on the back? Yeah, it's white.
And then you've got that orange peace sign inside of there.
Yep.
I don't know, the whatever's happening on the tongue here is crazy.
Yeah, it's like
we call our stuff debossed.
Yeah, right.
It's debossed.
It reminds me of something. I just can't put my finger on it. I don't know what it is.
It reminds me of like the thing on Go-Yard bags. like that, whatever that Y thing is on the Go-Yard bags. But either way,
Don't talk over our audience.
I'm sorry.
Go-Yard? Who
I don't own any Go-Yard. Just for the record. I'm just talking about the print.
When y'all see me with a Go-Yard trunk, just know things have happened. Yeah.
Yeah, no one's speaking to you at that point.
No, don't speak to me.
Yeah.
You barely speak to me with these. Yeah, man.
Then he made sure to keep the Nike, marker brand on the Nike,
Adidas.
Forgive me, Adidas marker brand on along with the Adidas. These are tough, man.
Beautiful. Son.
These are something special.
That's a beautiful sneaker.
Those are something special.
Like, come on, man. What are we talking about?
Yeah.